Hello, hello, hello! Magandang araw! Welcome back! At sa mga bago, welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love sa inyong Tagalog love reading. Ngayon na, mismo. Okay, so today may bago tayong segment sa aking channel at tatawagin ko itong Pac-Man. I think first tong terminology sa ganitong reading dito sa YouTube. So, ayan. So, Pac-Man is short for Pick a Card and Manifest. Okay, so ang mangyayari dito sa lahat ng viewers at sa lahat ng nakatutok ngayon, yung tatlong piles dito, tignan nyo lang, i-feel ninyo, and feel nyo ano yung nagre-resonate sa inyo na pile. So, pile 1, pile 2, pile 3. Okay? And pag na-feel nyo na nag-resonate yung specific pile na yon, so yan yung piliin nyo. And ang gagawin natin is i-reveal ko yung cards for each pile and babasahan ko kayo ng inyong love reading using the tarot in relation to the pile na nag-resonate sa inyo. Okay, so bibigyan ko kayo ng 1 minute. Okay, so habang pumipili kayo, una gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng sumuporta at sumusuporta at susuporta sa aking channel kasi nakakatuwa, promise. 1 week pa lang yung channel ko pero I can feel the love, I can feel the support from all of you. So, sana magtuloy-tuloy. Kaya, gusto ko sana nang hingin ng supportan ninyo pa, lalo na sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe. So, subscribe na kayo sa channel na to para updated din kayo sa mga susunod pang mga love readings based sa inyong zodiac or sa mga susunod pang Pac-Man. Okay? And like nyo na tong video, share nyo na sa mga kakilala nyo na need ng guidance. And okay, comment na rin kayo pag nag-resonate yung reading na to. And since this is still a collective reading, this may or may not resonate sa inyo. So kung gusto nyo ng personal reading, pwede rin. Nasa description box yung email address ko para pwede nyo ako makontak. Okay, so simulan na natin. So, tabi ko muna tong pile 3 at pile 2 and let's reveal the pile 1. Okay, gifts of life, abundance, and myrtle. Okay, so gifts of life is all about the blessings that we receive from the universe, from God. Okay, and itong blessings na to, lalo na when it comes to love, kasi love reading yung gagawin natin, ay punong-puno siya ng yung love life ninyo is punong-puno ng pagmamahal. Okay? And yun yung blessing na pwedeng currently ina-enjoy nyo na or darating siya sa life nyo at ma-enjoy ninyo yung love na yun. And Myrtle is a card of love and romance, diba? So, medyo exciting, diba? Exciting itong reading mo to. Kasi, punong-puno siya ng love. Pero tingnan natin, okay? So, itabi muna natin to and let's do the tarot reading. So, I will pull 2 cards each from the recent past and the present, saka yung near future. So, basa lang natin. Okay. Tap natin. Okay. Strength card. 3 of Wands. 2 of Cups. 10 of Cups, punong-punong ang pagmamahal. 7 of Cups. And Ace of Coins. Ayan. Very nice. Okay. So, nagsimula siya the recent past year is a Strength and 3 of Wands. Your present is your 2 of Cups and 10 of Cups. And your near future, 7 of Cups and Ace of Coins. So, there's a strong energy of Leo. So, pwedeng yung person niyo is Leo, but doesn't have to. Ito lang yung strongest energy na nasasagap sa reading na to. Okay. So, si Strength card is as a card of confidence. So, in the recent past, diba, there's so much romance between you and your person, and it's alam niyo yung very confident kayo sa isa't isa na mahal niyo ang isa't isa. Parang sigurado kayo na mahal niyo ang isa't isa. Kasi there's so much confidence when it comes to the romantic aspect of your life. So you and your person, wala kayong takot na gawin yung gusto nyo when it comes to love, diba? Walang mga hindrance, walang nangingialam, walang umiepal. Diba? So, very positive yung recent past yun naman. And it's even more positive now. So, that's the recent past, diba? So, punong-puno kayo ng love, tapos parang sige, push lang, parang go, gano'n. Go when it comes to love. And at the present moment, there's a lot of commitment now between you and your person. So, very committed kayo sa isa't isa. Pwedeng, nung recent past, nasa dating stage pa lang kayo and you decided to level up the relationship. Okay? That's why at the moment, nagkaroon na kayo ng commitment sa isa't isa. If you're in a relationship in the recent past already, so at the moment, mas naging strong pa yung connection ninyo. As shown here by the 2 of Cups, which is a card. Sorry naman. So, which is a card of relationships. And 10 of Cups is a card of love and emotional stability. So, very stable yung relationship ninyo. Diba? Mahal nyo isa't isa, walang issues, walang conflict. Very happy as shown here dun sa pile ninyo na there's so much blessings, so much love. So, parang nag-uumapaw, very abundant yung pagmamahalan ninyo. And so, in the near future, okay, so lumabas si 7 of Cups, which is, meron lang some indecisions when it comes to the financial aspect in your relationships. So, meron kayong mga kailangang ayusin pa in the near future na pwedeng nagle-level up pa kayo in sa next level ng relationship ninyo, and may mga kailangan kayong pag-ipunan. Okay? May mga kailangan kayong investment na kailangan gawin when it comes to basta in the recent future, okay, there will be some prosperity naman. And there will be so much more. It will be very abundant. However, meron lang kayong mga decisions na kailangan gawin to make it happen. Diba? Lalo na sa financial aspect of your relationship. But overall naman, sobrang saya niya. And malalampasan nyo naman yun dahil nga mahal nyo ang isa't isa. And pag mahal nyo yung isa't isa, diba, gagawan at gagawan nyo ng paraan ang mga aspeto ng relationship niyo, whether it's about the intimacy, physical intimacy, or whether it's about the emotional stability, which shows naman here, and pagdating din sa financial stability ng relationship niyo. So it's a good read. Ayan. Sige, tingnan natin. Just supporting details of each pair. Pero ayan. Sa mga pumili ng pile 1, napakaganda ng love life ninyo. So kung nag-resonate, comment lang kayo below ng claim nyo na, i-manifest nyo na to. Okay? Kung hindi pa nangyayari ito, i-manifest nyo na. Kasi nga, di ba, ang segment na to ay pick a card and manifest, or Pac-Man. So, i-Pac-Man nyo na itong reading na to. So, comment na kayo below Pac-Man 1. Di ba? Para lang, yun lang yung naisip ko agad, di ba? Pac-Man 1. Kung nag-resonate sa inyo yung pile 1. Sige. The Judgment. Okay. 5 of Wands. 4 of Cups. 2 of Swords. Queen of Wands. Okay. And Justice. So these are just supporting cards. So in the recent past, okay, so someone merong nagkaroon lang ng konting communication issues between the two of you. Okay. And but that one was resolved right away, as shown here with the Judgment card and the 5 of Wands. So yung hindi nyo pagkakaunawaan in the past, na-resolve nyo siya agad, na nagkaroon na ng pagkakapatawaran. Okay? Kaya yung main card ninyo is a card full of excitement and romance, diba, in the past. So, kaya whatever issues and conflicts na na-encounter nyo in the recent past, na-resolve nyo rin siya agad. And sa present moment, diba, so full of love, there's completeness then when it comes to your relationship. There's so much love and emotional stability, diba? However, in the present moment, there's there will be meron lang sigurong, alam mo yun, yung konting parang meron sa isa sa inyo na parang hindi siya kontento pa sa not in a negative way, kasi nga, so full of supporting card siya. So hindi siya kontento pa sa sitwasyon ninyo, and there's some kind of difficult choice na kailangan niyang gawin. And I think it's related to the financial aspect na nandun sa near future ninyo. Parang mahal nyo isa't isa, pero gusto nyo na mag-level up eh. Pwedeng lalo na sa long time couples dyan, parang gusto nyo nang i-next level into a married life. Okay? Or leaning towards engagement, ganyan. Kaso, yun nga, yung sa aspeto ng finances, medyo kailangan pa siyang pagtuunan ng pansin, kailangan pa siyang pag-effortan pa ng konti para mas maging okay siya, para yung current situation ninyo na parang, yun nga, parang hindi na kayo kontento sa ay hanggang ganitong level na lang kami. We want to level up more in our relationship. Pwedeng from dating stage, you want to move on to a committed relationship. Like, syempre, in a relationship, di ba, part of it pa rin is, yun, kung nga rin, plan ninyo na mag-move in together, or plan ninyo mag-travel together, di ba? Parang, yung mga next plans ninyo in life, di ba? Parang, ito na kayo pero hindi pa kayo kontento sa ganito. Which is a positive thing naman, di ba? Hindi kayo kontento. So, you want to level up to the next phase of your relationship. And so, there's some decisions to be made, especially sa financial aspect of your relationship. Okay, but however, in the near future, yun nga yung magiging kailangan nyo pagtuunan pa ng pansin, but there will be some open-mindedness sa situation. Okay, na parang, okay, alam nyo na ito yung situation and hindi nyo gagamitin, you will not use it against each other. Yung aspeto ng finances kasi mahal nyo yung isa't isa. Okay? So, as shown here by the Queen of Wands, there will be a lot of open-mindedness situation. And lumabas din naman si Justice card, which is a card of harmony and also accountability, that each one of you will knows their role and what they can provide and what they can contribute dun sa aspeto na kailangan nyo ayusin. And yun, there's so much harmony and so much balance sa relationship na to. Kaya parang lahat ng pagsubok dito, yung mga side stories is very, hindi niya naapektuhan yung love na na-create niya. And in-enjoy nyo nga siya, yung love na yun. Very abundant talaga yung love. That, alam mo yun, pag sobrang abundant yung love between two people dun sa magkarelasyon, parang lahat talaga malalampasan. Okay? Ayun, so sana nag-resonate siya. Okay? And ayun. So that's pile 1. Yan, move na tayo sa pile 2. So, kailangan kong balasahin ito. Okay. So, sana nag-resonate sa mga pumili ng pile 1. Sige. So, tabi ko na to si pile 1, So, si pile 2. Buksan muna natin siya. Fortune of Perseverance. Dignity. And Mint. Okay. So, si Fortune of Perseverance, ang nag-resonate sa pile na to is whatever, alam mo yun, lahat ng pagsubok na makakarating sa inyo, malalampasan ninyo siya as long as meron kayong perseverance. Yung alam mo yun, hindi kayo basta-basta susuko, basta ipaglalaban nyo, itutuloy nyo pa whatever challenges that comes your way, lalo na when it comes to love, diba? And it shows here also na you will go through these challenges with so much dignity. Okay? And Mint is, I have to verify. So Mint is a card of prosperity and luck. Okay? So, kaya yun, parang despite lahat ng challenges na yun, diba? You will overcome it and you will go through it with so much dignity na ang kapalit nun ay so much prosperity and luck. Lalo na if about sa love ito. So itabi natin siya, tingnan natin ano ba yung detalye nung mga challenges na ma-overcome nyo with dignity and relaxing. So, balasahin natin yung first card. So, sa lahat ng mga pumili, sana, let's see, sana mag-resonate. And, habang binabalasa ko, again, please like this video. And subscribe na kayo sa aking channel para updated kayo at masubaybayan yung mga susunod pang love reading. Diba? Okay. Tignan natin. So, pipili ako bubunot ako ng 2 cards for the recent past. So, Knight of Cups and Page of Swords. Present moment. 7 of Coins and 7 of Cups. Oh, 7-7. And Knight of Coins and the Hangman sa near future. Okay. So, pwedeng significant ang 7-7 sa life ninyo. Okay, or baka biglang madalas nyo nakikita ang 7-7 recently. Okay, so mga nanonood na gano'n, so very resonating tong reading ito. Ibig sabihin. So, the Hangman, the near future. Well, this reading, pwede yung person ninyo is a Pisces. But doesn't have to. Yun lang yung strongest energy na nasasarap sa reading na to. Actually, interpret na natin. So, in the recent past, okay, there was so much excitement and affection between the two of you. So, alam nyo, nasa okay, merong mga, alam mo yun, siguro nasa dating stage kayo or even kung nasa relationship kayo, alam mo yun, parang sobrang saya lang ng vibe na excited kayo sa mga kaganapan niyo sa connection ninyo. Alam mo yun, kuwari pag makikita kayo for a date, there's so much excitement, parang pwedeng nasa honeymoon stage pa kayo in the recent past, bago-bago pa lang yung relasyon. Okay, which also shows here in the Page of Swords, which is which is a card of fresh relationship, so much enthusiasm. Alam mo yun, yung energy talaga siya ng parang honeymoon stage. So, pwedeng in the recent past, kakasagot mo lang din sa person mo or kakasagot lang sa iyo ng person mo. So, it may be the other way around. Or, pwedeng kakakasal nyo lang. Okay? Or, kakaroon lang ng commitment sa isa't isa. So, very fresh pa yung relationship. So, there's so much excitement and fun between the two of you and dun sa connection ninyo. Okay. Sa present moment, okay, sa present moment naman, so lumabas si 7 of Coins and 7 of Cups, 7-7. So si 7 of Cups is meron lang yun nga, parang kailangan pag-isipan. Saka meron sa inyo na parang yun yung wishful thinking na sana ganito, sana ganyan. Pero tignan natin mamaya sa details. Ano ba yung wishful thinking ng person ninyo. Pero nakikita naman dito sa 7 of Coins that there's so much commitment and sobrang invested nung person na to sa inyo. Lalo na when it comes to love. Parang yung emotional investment ba, talagang ibibigay niya lahat. Pero, meron lang parang desisyon na kailangan gawin uh, about this relationship. Mamaya ika-clarify natin with the other deck. But that's the energy of the present moment between the two of you. And in the near future, okay, uh, yeah, the Knight of Coins is still a card of commitment. So, tuloy-tuloy pa rin naman. Wala namang magbabago when it comes to commitment. Walang parang from the honeymoon stage, hindi naman siya biglang uh, magliligaw yung energy or yung commitment nyo. Nandun pa rin yung commitment from the beginning to the present to the future. However, okay, yeah, meron lang na siguro related to dun sa parang sana ng tao. So, I think that's the challenge. Magkakaroon lang, ito yung energy dun sa pile na whatever challenge that you will face it with dignity. Okay? And after that, there will be so much prosperity and luck. So, sa near future, there's still the commitment. However, meron lang parang time for reflection. Kasi, di ba, parang sobrang taas nung recent past, yung sobrang taas nung excitement nyo sa isa't isa. Yung honeymoon stage, yung honeymoon energy vibe, ganyan. Tapos, in the recent moment, di ba, parang, happy pa rin. Yeah. Pero biglang in the near future, parang, teka nga, parang ganyan, pause nga muna tayo. Baka mas sobrang saya natin, di ba may mga ibang tao gano'n na sinasabi nila pag sobrang saya, baka bawiin or baka makompensate ng hindi gaano kasaya na events. Wala namang ganung na-feel, pero parang may ganung vibe kayo na, teka muna, kalma mo lang muna tayo. Parang ganun. So, tingnan natin ano yung supporting details ng bawat pair na to. Okay? Basahin ko lang. Ayan, tingnan natin yung supporting details. Kung bakit. Kasi, I think that's the challenge lang na merong yung person mo or pwedeng ikaw din na meron kang wishful thinking pagdating sa relationship na hinto ka sandali at mapapareflect ka na parang sobrang saya nito parang baka bawiin sa akin bigla. Alam mo yun, yung ganung feeling na ang saya-saya mo pero may biglang fear na baka panandalian na yung saya or baka mabawi yung saya or diba? Okay. So, tingnan natin. 9 of Wands. King of Wands. Recent past. Knight of Wands or 4 of Wands. 2 of Pentacles. 10 of Wands. And the Empress. So, yeah. In the recent past, there was so much excitement and it's really the desire. So there's so much passion between the two of you. Passion here with the 9 of Wands, very persistent yung person mo towards you, and same goes with you. And there's so much ano mo yun, yung nandun yung responsibility to express whatever you desire and what you're really passionate about. So, kitang-kita naman dito na in-express nyo lang talaga yung at ini-enjoy nyo yung moment nyo together in the recent past. And in the present moment, di ba, there's so much confidence and eagerness between the two of you and about there's so much balance nga in the relationship. However, there's a choice to be made. Okay? Yun yung siguro kaya parang may wishful thinking because merong choice na kailangan kang gawin or kailangan siyang gawin when it comes to when it comes to the yung eagerness nga to continue this energy or alam mo yun kasi nga nandun kayo sa level ng honeymoon stage from the recent past na parang nyo i-sustain. Paano? Sana ganito, sana ganyan, sana parang sana ganito for, di ba yung ganun feeling na ang saya sa inyo sa simula and ayaw nyo mawala na sana ganito forever, di ba? Pero of course, in a relationship, di ba, hindi sobrang galing and ninyo as a couple if masustain nyo yung ganong energy from beginning to end, di ba? Pero in all relationships naman, natural yung natural flow niya is it's a roller coaster ride pa rin. Pero, di ba, hindi naman perfect ang relationship. May ups, may downs, may good, may not so good, di ba? So, that's, I guess, yung sinasabing challenge dito. Pero yun nga, magagawa nyo siya ng paraan. You will face those challenges with dignity. And in the near future nga, magkakaroon kayo ng pause na parang feeling nyo, di ba, parang there's so much obligation. Parang feeling nyo na obliged kayo na to sustain that energy from your recent past, di ba? Na i-bring siya forward to the near future. Pero you will overcome it nga because ito, si Empress Energy is a card of love and nurturing. So, very, alam yan, so, meron kasing, yun, parang sinasabi dito din na ito, kino-confirm lang niya yung abundance and prosperity and luck na sinasabi dun sa oracle card dito sa pile that, yeah, everything will be alright. And in the end, it will still be a relationship, love, a connection that is full of abundance when it comes to love. Okay? And there's really this nurturing energy na alagaan nyo din naman talaga yung isa't isa. Na hindi nyo man masustain yung energy from the beginning. Alam nyo na nandyan kayo para sa isa't isa to make an effort at ipagpatuloy yung nasimula ninyo, hindi nyo man masustain, pero alam nyo na nandyan pa rin kayo to support each other and love each other. Okay, ang saya. So, mga pumili ng file na to, sana nag-resonate and comment nyo lang Pac-Man 2 if nag-resonate sa inyo. Kasi sabi ko dun sa una, Pac-Man 1 eh. Next time, sa next reading, isip ako ng word. Okay? So, sige. Now, let's proceed sa pile 3. So, tabi ko na ito. So, pile 3. Let's reveal the cards. Generate new ideas. Oh, love. And holy. Sige. So, generate new ideas is really a card of like being open-minded sa aspeto, lalo na like since this is a love reading, sa aspeto ng pag-ibig, you should be open about it. Minsan, di ba, parang lalo na kung may mga pinagdaanan tayo when it comes to love, parang ayaw na natin buksan ng puso at isip natin. But here, yung generate new ideas kasi it's like when it comes to something, learning something, you really have to open your mind and open your senses, di ba, to generate new ideas. But since this is a love reading, so it resonates, yung sinasabi niya dito is open your heart and open your self and embrace new love, or the love, the love that is currently happening in your life, diba? So, and yung holy is a card of hope and victory, diba? So once you open yourself to love, diba, there will be so much hope, and you will end up victorious pagdating sa pag-ibig. O diba, ang ganda. So sa mga pumili ng third pile, yan ang energy. Tingnan natin ang kaganapan using this tarot cards. So ang gagawin ko, bubunot ako ng dalawang cards for the recent past, present, and near future. Okay, so habang binabalasa ko to, again, sana mag-resonate. Kung hindi man masyado, huwag niyong pilitin. Take whatever resonates mo lang. May mga susunod pa namang Pac-Man. So, abangan niyo po. And, para updated kayo, syempre, subscribe na kayo sa aking channel. Maraming salamat ulit sa lahat ng suporta. Okay? See ya. So, recent past, 9 of Wands, 7 of Cups, 3 of Wands, and Page of Wands. And the Knight of Coins, and the World. Oh, wow! O, diba? Sabi sa inyo, happy. Happy lang. So, si Nine of Wands, sige, yung strong energy dito would be the 4 fixed signs. Okay? Leo, Taurus, Scorpio, Aquarius. Okay? Pwede yung sign ng person niyo, but doesn't have to. Yun na yung strong energy na nasasagap ng reading na to. Okay? So, yung sa recent past ninyo, okay, si Nine of Wands, there's so much hope when it comes to this relationship or yung connection mo with your person. Okay? However, yun nga, siguro dahil nga yung energy dito na parang you're not really opening your heart fully dun sa love or sa connection or sa relationship or sa paparating na love, diba? Kaya mayroong parang energy na ay sana mangyari, diba? Mayroong energy of indecision, diba, sa end mo, na parang hindi ako sigurado, bakit ganyan, parang gusto ko na ayaw ko, may ganun energy sa end mo. So that's the reason past. Kaya nga sinasabi ni Universe, just open your heart to love, diba? And hope, and holy is a card of hope. Ito, nag-resonate siya dito. Okay? Pero at the present moment, okay, there will be something exciting happening. Nagkakana parang, alam mo yung energy ng adventure na parang, ang saya-saya, gano'n, exciting, looking forward to it, parang ganyan. So, when it comes to the romantic aspect of your life, tapos once pa siya, diba? So, it's really, the present is leaning towards your desire, diba? Whatever you really desire when it comes to love. And Page of Wands is itong both cards na to are cards of adventure. So you will explore something at the present parang binubuksan mo na yung puso mo talaga when it comes to love, and good job. Tama yan. Kasi yun yung gusto ni universe na gawin mo. Okay? So, si Page of Wands is a card of adventure and a fresh start. Okay, kaya sobrang niya, yung energy na excited, ganyan. Kasi, bago, di ba? Kasi, you finally decided to open your heart and embrace this new love coming, or the current love na you fully opened your heart to it, di ba? So, good job. Ayan. And in the near future, mas magiging open. Kaya sinasabi dito, di ba, there will be some abundance when it comes to love once you open your heart. Kasi in the near future, okay, the World card lumabas, which is a card of celebration and completion and fulfillment, lalo na pagdating sa pag-ibig, diba? Supported pa siya ng Knight of Wands, which is a card of commitment. Okay, so kaya buksan mo na yung puso mo, kasi kung again, choice mo to there's a choice that needs to be made. If you chose the other way around, ito, hindi siya, diba, or at the present moment, diba, parang merong remnants ng energy from the recent past, ma-delay ito. Okay, but as you can see, at the present, there's so much adventure now when it comes to your romantic life, diba? And in the near future, ito, merong commitment na mangyayari that will lead to something very, very happy. Diba? Ito, card of celebration. Ayan, nagkatuluyan na sila. Parang happily ever after. Parang may ganong energy. Okay? And sino bang may ayaw ng ganong energy? So, i-manifest nyo na. Okay? So, sa mga pumili ng pile 3, manifest nyo na tong the world. Diba? Manifest nyo na. So, i-comment nyo dyan sa baba. Pacman 3. Kasi wala akong iisip. Sabi ko kanina sa first pile, Pacman 1. So, kayo, kung gusto nyo manifest sa mga pumili ng pile 3, comment lang kayo sa baba. Pacman 3. Diba? Para i-claim nyo yung energy. So, tingnan natin. Bunot lang tayo ng supporting details for this reading for pile 3. Okay. 8 of Wands, Knight of Cups, Wands, Cup. Nice, O, diba? Ace of Cups, King of Wands, Two of Swords, and the Hermit. Okay. So, again, supporting cards lang naman to. So, 8 of Wands. So, si 8 of Wands is, ayun, there's some, in the recent past na there's so much hope, may wishful thinking, diba? Pero, parang, in the recent past din, kaya nag-lead siya into this adventurous romance sa present mo. Kasi in the recent past din, there's parang nagkakaroon na ng momentum yung sa aspeto ng emotions or ng feelings niya towards each other, diba? So, and si Knight of Cups is, again, it's a card, itong 8 of Wands saka si Nine of Cups are both cards of excitement, diba? And affection, or gusto nyo talaga sa isa. Tapos, sa present, there's kaya may romance siya, there's love. Ayan. Pwedeng hindi nyo pa inaamin sa isa't isa since bago-bago pa lang kayo, or if you're in a relationship, diba? There's so much love as shown here by because Ace of Cups is a card of love. And, okay. Tapos supported pa siya ng King of Wands, which is taking responsibility on the purpose that you want to achieve. I mean, yung purpose nyo, which is to love each other. And yung desire nyo talaga na to be together. Diba? That desire, you and your person is taking that responsibility to do whatever it takes na magkatuluyan kayo. Diba? So, in the near future lang, diba, happy naman to, there will be so si Two of Swords lang, there will be some, alam yun, parang kasi sobrang saya eh. Biglang parang, from the, parang hopes lang, tapos nagkaroon ng adventures, biglang, wow, commitment na agad. So, parang ikaw magkakaroon ka ng sense of parang in denial ka. In denial ka na, alam mo yung mapapaisip ka, totoo ba to? Deserve ko ba to? Ganyan, may mga tanong ka bigla. Kasi, yan, lalabas si Hermit. Magpapaka-hermit mode ka. Yung alam mo yun na, dahil nga sa, parang in denial ka dun sa love na dumating. Na parang, deserve ko ba to? Para sa akin ba talaga to? Bakit? Parang sobrang saya bigla. Diba? And, ayun, magkakaroon ka ng parang, you will ask some space for a while to, alam mo yun, para lang pag nilay-nilayan yung nagaganap na to really sit on it and assess na itong love na to. But again, it's kung ako sa'yo, parang you don't need to do that kasi nga there's so much love between the two of you. Pero normal lang yun. Kasi nga, parang na-overwhelm ka din na parang, wow, from this, hino-hope mo pa lang yun, may wishful thinking ka when it comes to relationship, biglang, in the near future, commitment na pala to. So, and something, wish fulfillment na siya. To wishful thinking pa lang, di ba? Pero in the near future, it's a wish fulfillment. Okay, pero again, sabi nga dito, open your heart, okay, to love para ma-receive mo yung abundance na gusto ibigay sa'yo ni universe pagdating sa pag-ibig. Okay? So, ayun, maraming salamat sa lahat. Okay? Sana nagustuhan niyo itong segment na to, ang aking Pac-Man. So, marami pang mga ganito sa mga susunod na araw. Okay, kaya subaybayan nyo lang. Kaya comment lang kayo. And like this video, subscribe. Ngayon. So, maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa channel na ito. Okay? Sige. Hanggang sa muli. Maraming salamat. Kita-kits. So, kita-kits tayo sa susunod. Dito lang. Mismo. Ingat!